Hey guys, boom! Swiggy is giving free cash on Dineout, so you can have free food. Let's check out. Let's check out now as how to use this free cash. Go to Swiggy, click on Dineout and click on the wallet. As you see here, my wallet has been loaded with 500 rupees. Even so, yours also maybe do check out. And you can use this wallet cash while paying the bill, and after paying the bill you will get free wallet cash once again. You can get back and check with the free delights, and here some of the restaurants that provide free sweets or free delights. You can either book a table or pay bill directly. Here you can see you can even pre-book events on week offs or weekends, whatever you call. Okay, let me tell you, if you want to only pay the bill, you can get back and check out with the walk-in offers. As you see here, here some of the restaurants which are close by your home are shown up here. You can click on them and directly pay your bill after having food in that restaurant, right? Okay, now getting back to offers. If you book a table, you have this pre-booked offers on hand. You can check out. And if you are not finding any restaurant you are looking for, you can give in the search bar the restaurant name as shown in the video, and you can pre-book a table and enjoy pre-booking offers as well. Now we'll see as how to pre-book a table for free as shown in the picture. Go to Swiggy, click on Dineout. You can select any restaurant you wish to. After selecting, check with their menus. If you are interested, you can click on book a table. Once you click on book a table, you have to select the date and the timings and the number of guests as well. Once you select, pre-book offers will show up. Here I've got 30% off on the bill amount. You can use it while paying the bill after having food in that restaurant, right? Or else you can book a table for free. Here I have chose book a table for free, and if you want you can also go for this and click on proceed. Once you click on proceed, here you click on book your table for free. That's it, done. Your table is booked for free, so you will get the timings and the date. If you have any problem, you can call them and ask as shown in the picture, or else you can click on help. That's it, done. In this way you can book your table for free. And now whenever you go to a restaurant, have your food, you got to pay the bill, right? You can pay via Swiggy Dineout using free cash. I'll show you how. You can go to Dineout on Swiggy, search for the restaurant you want to pay the bill, and here you have the option of pay bill now. Click on that. Please enter the amount correctly as shown on the bill. Once you enter the amount, you click on apply offers and pay. Once you click on that, instantly your bill amount will be reduced. As you see here, 2000 bill amount is reduced to 1800 rupees, and you can use free Dineout cash as shown in the picture. You can slide to the right and use this Dineout cash. As you see here, you can even get free Dineout cash, which is 10% of your bill amount, which is credited to your Dineout wallet after paying the bill, right? Now after you use Dineout cash, you can come down and click on apply coupons and bank offers. You can use any of the payment offer that has been available here. You can see here, after applying the coupon, your bill amount from 2000 is reduced to 1661, and you can click on proceed to pay. That's it, done. You can enjoy Dineout free cash. So with Dineout free cash you can enjoy free food. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.